Re-
Hey, I have exciting news for you. So today I want to show you how to install cargo and Rust in Singularity container. So um so let's back up. So cargo is like in my opinion, like a package manager for Rust. Rust is a programming language. I think it's similar to C++, low level but has some, very added advantage, which I think it's pulling like a lot of crowd, especially in the bioinformatics community. So, I mean, it was a challenge. So the story was that I needed to install Cargo, um, which I needed to install Cargo, which is package manager. um, which will enable me to install different software called ModKit. So ModKit is a software for processing um, Oxford Nanopore dataset. Right. So my goal was to create a container with all my softwares. In this case, a Singularity with all my softwares, put it on Docker Hub, so I can be able to run my analysis anywhere on any device, and don't have to, be whining about HPC not replying my request to install some software. I know you've been there before. So this is the definition file for the Singularity, and this is the header. So the instruction here is to create something which looks like a Linux Ubuntu machine. And the section here are the commands. So this is trying to install basic softwares of a Linux machine. Install Python, install auto config, auto make build essentials, which includes some of the compilers like GCC, so on and so forth. And this is where it begins. So this is from the website, right? So cal, it's pull this particular file, sh, pull this particular file from this website, and run it, just like how it is on the website, right? But then I added this because as you run this section of the installation, it's interactive, right? So it asks you like a couple of questions, and I don't want to be going through the process of clicking and clicking and clicking. All right. So I added this section to just run non-interactively. So this installs the software, right? So if you run this on your maybe your Linux or maybe um your Apple, your Mac, this installs the software, right? And there is a section where you need to, source this file. So what it does is to, copy the path where cargo has been installed onto your, bash RC, maybe bash profile. Um, and in that way, anytime you call, cargo at the, command line or terminal, it will pull the binaries, from there, right? So this is standard procedure. However, in Singularity, this this installation is done as root. So it's done. So this file, it's in your root directory, um, which makes it a little bit tricky and difficult to be able to access the roots when you're running the when you've built and you're running the Singularity image elsewhere. So there are some hacks about it, right? So you need to move this file to a different place, to a place which could be accessed by um, your host, system wherever you run it. That's the trick, and I've been, struggling with that, but I'm going to show you so you also don't go through the same predicament. So over here, cargo is installed. If you do anything to work over here. So this is the software, the main software that I needed. It's called ModeKit. So I, going to like save, directory, and it's clone this, ModeKit from GitHub. I enter the ModeKit, directory, and then I use cargo to install ModeKit. And this part is saying, the binaries are in the current, directories. And this is the most important part, so take note. So I'm going to move the installed, cargo, the entire installation of cargo in the Singularity container. I'm going to move it from the root directory to a directory which could be accessed, anywhere, but to a directory which could be accessed, anytime you're running this container, right? So in this case, I'm going to put it in user local, right? And it's going to be here. The next line is sort of like a sanity check. I just want to make sure that this move, like, was done, and you could actually see, the files, especially the binaries, after this move. What I did here was to also, link the binaries right, which is here, to user local bin. So this is where all my, binaries for different softwares, could be located, right? So this is to make it very easy for me to maybe, type in a command, and it just runs through. So the next thing to do is to export, this path, right? So all my binaries for different softwares are in user local.bin. So I need to export it. And to do that in Singularity, you need to use the environment declarative and export it here. I do a listening port. I specify listening port also, 1, 2, 3. It could be anything of your choice. And then I specifically exported the cargo binaries. I think I've already done it here, but I specifically exported it, just to make sure I cross our T's and dot our I's and cross our T's, in my opinion. So this is the definition file. It runs, it works. You could build Singularity, build this definition file using the command sudo singularity build, and then you specify a .sif file, which could be any name, arbitrary at all, any name you want to give to the resulting is a container name, and then you specify the path of the definition file. In this case, what kids the def. And then this creates your SIF file, .sif file, which you could use Singularity shell or Singularity execute, and the SIF file to be able to run this or execute this the container you've just built. So really excited. I resolved the cargo install in Singularity, and I think you should know so you don't struggle like me. All right, peace out.